What's up, guys? I have an awesome video planned for you today. Here, let's get a little light. There we go. Probably the best video on my channel, one of the most fun videos. So we're going to be off-roading this stout unit behind me. We got the Humvee warming up. She is looking nice. There's a lot I've done to it off camera, just because it's not that exciting. But I installed this MME front winch bumper. I'm gonna be putting a winch in it soon. I might make a video on that, I don't know. I've got these awesome Amazon LED halo headlights in there. I've got seat belts in. Oh yes, yeah, I didn't do a video on the seat belts. So the seat belts are in it. Some of this stuff's gotta be repainted. And I think that's it. And I don't know if you can see, but the ground is really wet. And I was like, huh, that's weird. So I was following, sorry, I'll flip it again actually. I was following the wetness, and ignore that. That wetness is always there. It's from their air conditioning. But I followed it, and I'm like, what is that? You know, and it kind of smelled foul, and I see it coming from in here. I'm like, okay. So they opened the door, and yeah, somebody's sewage pipe exploded. There's literally toilet paper and feces everywhere. We're about to depart. We got Justinian, we got the puppy, and the girly. Alright guys, we made it to my buddy's farm. We got both the units. So we're just gonna stop, get a little bit to eat, and then we'll go wheel. Alright guys, we got to, you know, it'd be cool to camp out here, but we got to a cool little waterfall. Check it out.
At first I thought you guys go through the creek or a river or something down there. Yeah. Yeah, we can go run through that. We can go all the way down. Oh, really? Okay.
Do a little tree trimming, guys. Oh man, you're gonna get waxed.
I know.
Oh, okay. It smells like Christmas.
it out. Straighten it out this way. Right there, just straight. Straight. Slow. Wait. Turn this way a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Straight.
Just to give you an idea of the landscaping we've been doing, guys.
No. Oof.
Alright guys, really hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of forgot to film an outro because we were having so much fun. But it was, I know it wasn't anything crazy. It was a lot of fun. It was good to get the Humvee off-road for the first time. Looking to do some more crazy stuff in the future. I want to get some rock sliders on it first. But I'll be going to the off-road parks here in Missouri and trying stuff out. I really want to go to Moonlight next. It's a really well-known park for sort of like moderate trails and a lot of mud and stuff like that. But hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can give me a like. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and really would appreciate if you subscribe, so you can keep up with the content, see more Humvee videos later if you're into Humvees. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys, have a great week or weekend, and appreciate all the support. Thanks, bye.